When you're alone, who comes around? Who comes around to pluck you up? To pluck you up when you are down. When you are down, and when you're outside looking in, who's there to open the door? That's what friends are for. And when you're lost in dire need, who's at your side? Speed, with friends of every creature coming down the pike. In fact, we've never met an animal we didn't like. When you're alone, when you're alone, who comes around? Who comes around to pluck you up? To pluck you up when you are down. When you are down, and when you're outside. What friends are for. Bravo! Alright. What's it going to be today then? Wonka's got a new one.
What is it? Tell us!
It's a scrumdiddlyumptious bar.
A scrumdiddlyumptious bar? Wow! How does he do it?
My dear children, do you ask a bird how it flies?
No.
Or a fish how it swims?
No way, you don't.
They do it because they were born to do it. Just like Willy Wonka was born to be a candy man, and you look like you were born to be a Wonka bar eater. Eat.